is Minnie. Today I'm going to show you guys my current wavy hair routine. This is currently my 7th day hair, which I feel like it still looks good with like the curls still there, but a little frizzy. But you know, that happens when you don't really protect your hair when you go to sleep or something like that. But anyways, first I'm gonna just wash my hair like normal. I tend to aim for the 0% sulfate, silicone, and paraben free shampoo. I normally go in for about like 2 times with the shampoo until like I feel like my hair is clean. I only shampoo my scalp because we don't need extra shampoo for our length of the hair because we don't want to dry it. When our hair is dry, our curl is going to be frizzy and we don't want that. Next, I'm gonna go in with my treatment or conditioner. I'm currently using this one. You could use anything, but I'm currently using this one because it claims that it has keratin. And this is when I go in with my fingers and using the wet brush to help separate the lumps of the hair so the conditioner can go in like really in the hair. And I'm gonna let that sit for about 20-25 minutes. Sometimes I also kind of style it when the conditioner is still in. So basically what I do is like bring out like a piece of hair and kind of twirl it away from your face. I'm just doing it because I'm kind of bored, and it also kind of helps with defining the clumps of your curls. If you've got the extra time in the shower, try this out and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Okay, now that I washed the conditioners off and my hair is soaking wet, I'm just gonna like squeeze the water out just a little bit. And for the first step, I'm gonna use a mousse. I feel like this is probably not the right way to do it, but it works for me, so I'm gonna do it. And maybe it worked for you too, so I don't know. I feel like sometimes like there's no right or wrong method. There's just like the method that works for you, you know. I'm using about this amount and your hair gonna be like quite wet to do that. And I'm gonna just go in my hair like this. This is probably a little too much, so I'm gonna do it on this side too. I'm gonna add some more later. Like that. And just squeeze the products in. And next, I'm gonna go with this hair setting lotion. I don't really know like which does what, but this one, by the way, if you have thick or long hair, I recommend you using more than me. I was kind of underusing it that day, but yeah, I normally use more than that. This one is definitely like more moisturizing, so I like to use this one as well. I'm using like the praying hand method, so just like going like that. Since I already brushed my hair during conditioning, if you want you can like just go in with the brush again, but I feel like whenever I do that it just creates more frizz in my hair, so I stopped doing that and do this instead. And the last styling product is this one. It is like, it says it's styling, oh, hold on. It's the styling gel for natural look and matte. Yep. It's not like super gel-like. It's more watery, you know. But I guess it just functions the same. I don't know. And just like going with my hair like that. As you can see, like there are like the clumps formed here. But I'm just too lazy to like go in like on every strand and like style it again. So I'm just gonna do that. And then I'm just gonna use this kind of what is it called? Microfiber towel to like do this, because I feel like it's giving more definition to the curl strands better than just using the hands. And it also helps with the drying process, so it's a win-win. For now, I'm gonna plop my hair up and go do my skincare and get dressed. The extra step that I like to add when my hair is still damp but not soaking wet is using the hair oil. I like using hair oil after applying other products because it gives the extra shine to the curls. And whenever I do put the hair oil in first, it kind of gives a weird clump to my hair. So I just choose to apply it in the very last step now. Next, I'm going to diffuse my hair. I'm also using the heat protection today because I'm planning to use heat on my hair. Normally I don't use heat on my hair, but today it's already late and I want my hair to like dry faster, so I'm gonna use heat. But if you've got time, I recommend you don't use heat so you can protect your hair from heat damage. What I normally do is just blow dry the roots and let the rest kind of air dry, because whenever I use the hair dryer, my curls kind of get frizzy, so I don't really do that. Yep. So I just finished diffusing my hair, and this is what it currently looks like. It's not completely dried yet. I mean, like I could diffuse it too until it's dry, but it's just so much work, so I just like to diffuse, like dry it just a little bit, just so that it won't get too frizzy and too dampy. But there's still like some clumps over here that's still pretty wet, and I'm gonna go to bed soon and I don't want my scalp to be wet, so I'm gonna dry it some more. Yeah, but right now I can see that there's a little like frizzing going on. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, that is definitely frizzing. So I'm gonna go repeat the hair oiling step and come back and dry it. Hi, this is an update on day 3 hair. I just went out for the whole day and I just got back from a run. What? Okay, here's how my hair is looking with that styling method. I think it looks good, except the part that I was tying my hair with a scrunchie, so there's a little boop over there. But other than that, I think the curl still looks good. it made it be like loosen a little bit, but I think that's just normal, like the part of the process, because like my hair is not really that curly or wavy anyway, so I feel like this amount of wave that's still left is very good for the third day. I've been to the gym for 2 days and on a run too, so I feel like I'm satisfied with my hair condition. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you love this kind of content, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!